The purpose of this video is to go through how I want you to set up your notes when you are watching a math video. This could be a math video in the classroom, or this could be when you have an e-learning day, how you should set it up. So you are going to use a piece of paper. You are going to set it up where you have the topic of the video here. It could be like the title of the video or just the name of it. Put your name, and then you're going to make this T-chart right here. So while you're watching the video, what I want you to do is you're going to listen and you are going to write down different examples that are being gone through so that you can so that you know how to solve the problems. Make sure when you're doing this section, you can always pause the video if it's going too fast and you need to get the examples written down. That's the nice thing about watching a video. And then as you go along, you also should be writing these key facts off to the side. What I want there is going to be kind of those important things that you hear in the video that you need to remember. Things that are going to help you with the process of the math that you have to do. It is fine if when you're doing this spot right here that it's more of a bulleted list, so you don't need to have a complete sentence. It can kind of be important thoughts and ideas. So for example, let's say I was watching a video on solving equations. So real basic here, if I was in the video and they said, all right, your equation here is 3x plus 1 equals 10. So I'd write down that equation, they're going through it, and they're saying, okay, subtract 1 from both sides because we're getting x by itself. Maybe off to the side, one of the things they mention is that you always have to, my pen isn't working quite, always need to do the same thing to both sides. Okay, and that would be one bulleted thing. Okay, and then I could go through, I'd keep solving, and I'm just really showing what I'm doing, what I see in the video. And then as I go along, writing those key facts. The final thing that you need to do is you should, once the video is over, you're going to go and write a summary. This is going to be on the bottom, and you are going to write 3 to 5 sentences, what you learned, what the video was about. It should be a paragraph. It should have complete sentences, and it's really summarizing what you learned from the video and what the important things were about that topic. Remember that with your notes, this is something that can either be handed into me, the actual paper, or you can take a picture of it and you can email it to me to show that you have completed the video and the notes. Please let me know if you have any questions.